channel. In today's video we'll be continue working on the 2002 WRX that we've been parting out. We're gonna have to take out the rear passenger door as well as the trunk lid and the tail lights. We have a couple guys coming to pick them up, so that's what we'll be doing in today's video. Nothing exciting, but let's get to it. So there are two door hinges. Door hinges uses 12mm socket. So we're gonna have to remove that, and there's also another hinge right here that it actually allows the door to open and close right here. So 5 bolts on total. Let's get to it. So now the door is being removed, and we're gonna move into remove the headliner so we can take the tailgate off. So I think this is gonna take a little bit. As far as also, we still have to take tail lights off. Tail lights are gonna be gone as well. So let's get to that. Plastic prying tools makes removing these stupid clips so much easier. I highly recommend you guys get one of these or a set of these.
Done yet? Hey, get the door off.
Yeah, I couldn't find anywhere else to put.
I brought fluids.
I couldn't, so it's kind of fucking up the seat.
That's right.
But I didn't want to put it on the floor because it's going to get scratched.
Yeah. You got a thing going right now?
Yeah.
Am I standing like right in front of it?
Yeah, say hello. Say hello.
Hi.
All right, guys, we finished up removing the tail lights, the tailgate, as well as the bumper. And what else do we sell, John?
We got the door.
Oh, the door is out.
We got rid of the gas pedal and a couple of other things. So
Yeah, we put another massive dent.
yeah, the whole rear end is missing, and we're moving right along. So
Yeah, but stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we'll be back with another video.
definitely.
All right, guys.
See you next time.
See you next time. Peace out.